Welcome back, guys, to the channel. So today, I'm just gonna be fishing here in this lake, and yeah, it's pretty much what I'm gonna be doing today. Hopefully we can catch some, I don't know, some Mayan cichlids or some bluegills. I don't know, something. I just want to catch something. So let's see if we can catch something today. I'm gonna be putting on my gloves. They are pink. I know a lot of people, think it's weird to put gloves while fishing, but personally I don't like to touch. So let's see if we can catch something today. I'm gonna get everything rigged up and set up, and let's see. The water is a little bit murky. Well, not murky, but like it has a lot of grass and stuff like that. So let's see if we can catch anything. I've been fishing here a couple times already. I've caught some fish, but not a lot. But let's see what we can do today. So yeah, let's get this rigged up. I'm gonna use bread. Let's see. Alright, I'm right here setting it up. All you gotta do is squish that bread. One of the easiest way to, one of the easiest baits to use is just bread. So let's get this rigged up and yeah, see if we can catch anything today. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's actually an iguana in the water, like right over there. I don't know if you guys can see, it's like right over there, but yeah, he was here by the bank, but he went running. So I see some peacock bass right now. I see one, but I'm pretty sure that means there's more around here somewhere. So let's see what we can get today. Let's see. If you guys think I should do more videos like this, let me know. Or what type of baits to use, let me know. This is my, first fishing video here in this channel. I haven't done much. But, fishing's a fun hobby. So, yeah. Let's see if we catch something interesting today. Catch something. I think I got something. Ooh, this one's tough. I got something. Let's get him. He's fighting. Ooh, I think it's a Mayan cichlid. Ooh. Let's see. Ooh. Man, he's playing tough to get. Playing hard to get. Ooh. Ah, he broke the hook off. Man, he was playing hard. Dang it. Oh man, look at that. Cut that off. It's crazy. Alright, I'm gonna set up the hook again and let's see if we can catch one. Alright guys, so we're back and I'm gonna set my things here, have to go back and get hook and stuff like that, a hook and stuff, but Let me show you guys what I got set up here. I put on a smaller hook because the last hook I had was kind of too big, so you know, whatever I was trying to catch was gonna be big, you know, well, not big, but bigger than a mouth of a, you know, of a bluegill or anything, you know. It stinks that I lost that last fish, but you know, let's see if we can come up with another one. You know, I have faith, you know, we'll get something. Pretty sure we'll get something. Let's see. Let's see what we can get. Let's see. I need to try to throw it farther. That's what I need to do. Well, that was pretty good. Let's see. Ooh, I got something. Ooh, real quick. I have no clue what that one is. Ooh, he got me in the brush. Okay, I got him out. All right. Look at that Mayan cichlid right here. Look at that, boys and girls. That's a nice one. Look at that one. All right, let me get my gloves on. Actually, let me take a picture of that. What a beautiful fish, guys. Beautiful. I'm happy I was able to get something today, you know. So that's one. Let's see what else we can get today. Until my battery dies on my camera, but that's a beautiful fish. Right there, guys. Look at that beautiful fish. Ooh, he fell. Let's get, all right. All right, he got it. All right, so that's one Mayan cichlid. I'm pretty sure that was Mayan cichlid, but that's one fish for today. Let's see what else we can get. I want to catch a bluegill. Let's see what we can do. Last time I came, I didn't film, but I was able to catch a peacock bass on bread. The craziest thing I was able to do. Man, it's hot today. All right, let's get it. Let's get this set up. See what else we can get. You see, he got me good. You see, I'm bleeding right there. Got me good, but as you know, when fishing, that's what happens. Sometimes they get you. I think using a smaller hook actually helped this time, because I think that, you know, I was using too big of a hook last time. So yeah, I feel like the smaller hook is better. But if you guys have any tips, you know, or what I should use, you know, I know people use corn for carp and stuff like that, but you know, I'm just using simple bread. But yeah, let's see if we can catch a bluegill. That'd be pretty cool to catch. All right, let's see. I still see some fish there, so let's see if I can throw it in the same spot, catch something. Ooh, ooh, he spit that one out. Oof, I almost caught a bluegill. Every time I come fishing, I love to catch like different types of species of fish. So, you know, I'm trying to catch a bluegill right now. That's my goal right now, catching it. Ooh, I pulled it too quick. I need to leave it there. Let's see, they're fighting for it. Ooh, ooh, I got some. Ooh, I think that's another Mayan cichlid. Ooh, I don't know why, you know, they're playing tough. Ooh, he's a little one though, it's not that big. Another one though, he's not too big though. Small little Mayan cichlid. He took the bread. Let's get these gloves on. Even with gloves, you know, you can get cut no matter what, but I'd rather use gloves just in case, you know. I like it. Ah. All right, there you go. Ah, I keep dropping it, dang it. But there he goes, you know. So that's 2 fish. That was pretty quick actually. Caught them back to back pretty much. So 2 fish. Let's see what else we can catch. Right now I'm really trying to catch a, you know, a bluegill right now. That's my objective. I already caught 2 Mayan cichlids, so let's see if we can catch a bluegill. Let's see what we can do. A piece of bread. You know, this is my first video, but if you guys have any, like, I don't know, ideas, different type of fishing videos I can do, let me know, guys. You know, I'll be happy to make more fishing videos. That's what, you know, you guys want to see. More videos, you know, on fishing and stuff like that. Ooh, I got a little bluegill right here. Let's see. Oof. Nah, he left. Dang it. And the bread fell. Nice. Oh, something's going after my thing. My bait. Let's see. Ooh, I feel it. Let's see. Ooh, I caught it. I knew it. Ah, don't tell me it's another Mayan cichlid. Come on. A fish is a fish though. So. Yep, another one. So 3 fish right now. That's not bad. This is a big boy though. This is a big boy. That's a big boy. The thing is that, you know, they're bigger than the bluegills, so, you know, when they're fighting for the bait, usually they get it, not the bluegills. Alright, there he goes. So that's number 3 right there. He was peeing everywhere, so I just throw him in real quick so he doesn't pee on me. But that's fish number 3. It's not bad. 3 fish so far. Let's see if we can catch a bluegill. Let's see. All right, let's get this set up. Man, there's a big bass right here, just like real close to the bank. The thing is that I got some baits for peacock bass, but I want to catch a bluegill. Let's see. Ooh, I see a bluegill. Ooh. I'm gonna just leave it there. Let's see if he sees it. I think I'm gonna have to throw it a little bit, you know, in front of him. Let's see. He's picking at it. Maybe the hook is too big, I don't know. It's a small hook. Let's see. He's thinking about it. Today is such a beautiful day. It's hot. It looks a little dark, but nah, I'm gonna rethrow this. I see a bluegill. I see 3. Ooh, I caught one. Oh man. So close. Close. At least I still have the hook on. Man. Little aggressive things. Never give up though. I'm gonna keep trying. The thing about these bluegills is that they keep running away from it, and then it takes them a while to, you know, actually chase it. Bro, I see a big bass here. Let's see if he'll eat it. Nah, he just swam away from it. Another one. Ooh. Alright, right here. There's a bass right there chasing it. I think that's another mine cichlid right here. It's pretty. Alright, let's get the gloves on. So what is that, number 4? So 4 fish so far. I've had worse days where I come out and I catch nothing. So 4 is not bad. It's pretty good. Alright, I'm trying to put these on as fast as I can. I don't know if you guys can see the peacock bass, but he's right there. Just lingering around. Alright, let me grab you real quick. Alright, there he is, guys. Alright, he's swimming off. Alright, that's good. Alright, that's good. Trying to make sure he swam off good. Alright, so I think that was fish number 4. I'm gonna have to go and come back, but yeah, it's not bad. I think I'm gonna have to throw it a little bit farther. Right there. For sure something's gonna get it. Something. Ooh, something's tugging it. Ooh, I think I caught something. Ooh. Ah, he broke it off again. Wow, that was beautiful. That was a mine cichlid again. Broke it off. At least we caught 4 fish today, guys. You know, it was something. I wasn't able to catch the bluegill. Maybe next time, you know, I'll be able to catch the bluegill. But You know, if you guys like today's video, you know, leave a like and a comment down below. Let me know of any, you know, more, you know, any fishing tips or any fishing spots here in Miami to go fishing. You know, if you guys know anything, just leave it down below. Don't forget to subscribe and, you know, leave a comment, and yeah, hit that like button. Till next time.